Yes, I hope I could show you because they have sort of a cordon off the area because they are actually moving heavy machinery here. But Kavan is being shifted to Islamabad airport where he will board a special Russian-built aircraft. That aircraft will take Kavan to his new home. It's a 25,000 acre sanctuary in Cambodia where a 10-acre area has been fixed for Kavan, and three female elephants are also waiting for him for Kavan there. And as far as his current relocation is concerned, so Kavan has been shifted to a specially purpose built a steel container, and that container is being as I would ask my cameraman to show you that the crane is being moved. We can see the crane with its lever arm circling all the way around. That lever arm will go to that grey container. That grey container will be shifted, and then onwards NLC is providing the logistics supports. That container will be shifted to an NLC long bed truck, and that truck will take Kavan to Islamabad airport. The journey from Pakistan to his new sanctuary in Cambodia is 6.5 hours long, and hopefully he has given us 35 years of his life. And as far as his remaining life is concerned, so hopefully he will spend a good and happy life there in Cambodia. Ji. Yes, he has been shot with a tranquilizer dart. It's not actually a tranquilizer. He's actually been put in. He's actually been sedated. As you can see, this is quite dangerous right now. But still, we are standing here. He's in a semi-sedated form, so he could remain calm throughout his transportation and throughout his flight, and that is very important for the animal because given his size and his sheer weight, it's really dangerous for him that he can be put to sleep during the whole travel. The four paws lead doctor, Dr. Amir Khalil, who's leading this operation, will be constantly monitoring the animal throughout the flight and throughout his travel. Yes, the team of doctors and specialists are with him, and I could show you, you can see the crane right now at the moment. There's the crane, and it's lifting it's lifting the purpose built crate that I talked about earlier, and that is the crate that will be moved to a truck, and that truck will go to the Islamabad airport. And yes, you're right, a team of specialists will accompany Kavan throughout the journey. Well, right now he's quite calm, given that he's in a state of he's semi-sedated right now, given his state. So he's quite calm. They are also requesting people and the bystanders to remain calm as well, and they are also advising everyone to keep their voices down because we don't want to scare the animal, or because his state and his calmness is very important, to keep this whole journey as comfortable for the animal as possible. Yes, it's a 6.5 hour flight from from Islamabad to Cambodia to his new home.